changing and cleaning the Platen roller. In this video, you will learn how to change and clean the Platen roller. Open the printer. To remove the Platen, release the two bearing retainers and rotate up. Use the bearing retainers to lift the Platen. Remove the bearings and gear from the Platen, noting their locations. Clean the Platen with a swab or lint-free cloth moistened with a solution of 9 parts isopropyl alcohol and 1 part deionized water. Clean the Platen while turning and moving from end to end. Do not scrub the Platen, scrubbing will damage the Platen. Gently rub and blot the debris away with the isopropyl alcohol. Isopropyl alcohol can thin adhesives and oils without completely removing the debris. If there has been a label jam or adhesive buildup, repeat the cleaning with a new cloth or swab to remove any leftover debris. Allow the Platen to completely dry before reinstalling. To install the Platen, install the bearing on the gear end of the shaft. Reinstall the gear. Reinstall the bearing on the other end of the shaft with the retainer arm away from the roller while holding the retainers. Align the Platen with the gear on the left. Lower the Platen into the bottom frame of the printer. Rotate each retainer down until it locks. Close the printer.